Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for stopping by. We are here live in our studio. Not really, we're not live, but we're going to be doing a video anyway. And today we're going to be taking a look at the original, one of our classy bands here at Manly Bands. When you order it, it comes in this box, as you can see here, beautiful wood grain. And this box as well. If you're a big fan of boxes, we got plenty of them for you. We're going to get into some others. But first, inside we have this card welcoming you to the Manly Bands family, but more importantly is cool information inside, like your attractiveness level, which is high, which you knew that already. There's some information on there for our customer support in case you have any questions about your product. And check us out on social media, and check yourself out on social media, because we're all a little vain and that's okay. Inside, there it is, the original. This is a beautiful, elegant, simple design, if you will. It is cobalt chrome, 6mm wide. Cobalt, was looking that up, a lot of times found in meteors, which is pretty neat. And the German word for it was kobold, which means goblin ore, which has no historical value. It's neither here nor there. It just sounds really cool. Inside we have something that is not goblin ore, which is our black silicone band that comes with your order. So if you're, looking for another simple design, that is a great option to go to. And then inside we also have some promotional offers and materials as those become available. So check that out inside of your big box of goodies. And otherwise, thanks for stopping in and taking a look at the original on manlybands.com.